So Mom tells me that a lot of people get way too aggressive when they're hard boiling their eggs. And I thought, that's a really weird way to take your aggression out. And then I thought, no need, we'll just show them how to do it. This is what you do. You take 3 lovely little eggs, doesn't have to be 3, that's just what I'm using. Place them in a nice cold bath. Then what you're gonna do is turn your heat up to high, wait for it to come to a boil, not just like a tepid boil, but like a crazy boil. Put the lid on it, turn the heat off, and let it sit for 10 minutes. While I'm waiting for that to boil, I'm just gonna check my email. I had a little job interview today, and I'm waiting to hear back. I only said a couple of really stupid things. What's that smell? I say to the guy. He says, it's the fish. It's, you know, it's a fish market, so I'll just wait. That's gonna be boiling like crazy in a minute. So it's been 10 minutes. I'm not gonna touch that. I am not gonna touch it. And then just rinse it with some cold water. Just gonna let those rinse. Let those sit in the cold water for a while. So here you have your finished product. When you cook an egg like this, you're gonna get a nice tender white, and the yolk will be moist and yellow. It's a cradle of life, and you should always treat it with absolute respect right before you shove it in your mouth. I'd like to see you for a second interview, right on. Oh, please hire me.